So let's talk about Flylady's weekly schedule. There are 7 days in the week, and every one of those days has its own daily focus, which is just a specific task that you're going to focus on for that day. Some are really fun, like Family Fun Day, but then some are not so fun, like Anti-Procrastination Day. But you know what Flylady says about fun? She says, make it fun, and it will get done. Repeat that to your neighbor if you ever feel like getting punched in the face. I'm kidding, it's a great quote. See, I just wrote it on my hand. Okay, so here is Flylady's weekly schedule broken down. On Monday, we have the weekly home blessing. On Tuesday, plan and play day. Wednesday is anti-procrastination day. Thursday is errand day. On Friday, we clean out our car and purse, but it is also date night. Saturday is family fun day, and on Sunday, we renew our spirit. I'm going to go over each one so you can understand them a little better. Starting with Monday, where we complete our weekly home blessing. The weekly home blessing consists of 7 cleaning tasks, but you're only going to spend no more than 10 minutes per task using a timer. Once that timer goes off, you're done, move on, don't look back.
Let it go, all right?
So the 7 tasks in the weekly home blessing are dusting, vacuuming, mopping, emptying all trash, changing your sheets, polishing your mirrors and doors, and purging magazines or paper clutter. It may seem like a lot, but you're only focusing on your main living area, so you're not cleaning the entire house. I mean, what kind of insane person cleans their entire house in one day? I know you're out there. You weirdos. And setting a timer is very helpful as well. When I don't use a timer, I spend way too long doing these things. If I'm dusting my house without putting myself on a time limit, I go at a pace that is so slow that you may be tempted to call my great grandma to do it for me. But using a timer puts you in a hustle and motivates you to move a lot faster, making time speed right by. You'll be done with your weekly home blessing in no time. And that's Monday for you. Get the worst over with right away. Let's move on to Tuesday, which is a little more relaxing of a day. Tuesday is plan and play day. This is where you get out your calendars and take a look at your week. What can you do to make this week easier for you? Can you plan activities, plan out date night? I mean, come on, how often does date night come along and you and your spouse have an hour-long face-off about what to do and what to eat? And because you didn't plan anything, you just end up at home watching reruns of The Office with a pizza. Like this video if this has ever happened to you once or 20 times. Planning day is also a good day to do your meal planning. I've talked about meal planning before. It's been life-changing for us, and it's made our weeks a lot less stressful. If you're interested in seeing the video I made on meal planning, then check it out. I'll link it in the description. Other things you can do on planning day is make phone calls, schedule appointments, plan for upcoming birthdays or holidays, make your grocery list for shopping day, plan for how you're going to survive the my toddler has too many stuffed animals apocalypse, and whatever else you can think of to plan. And that's not the end of our plan and play day. Don't forget about the most important part, which is to play. So pull out your favorite Legos and Play-Doh and get playing. No, that doesn't sound right. It says here that Flylady says to spend the rest of the day doing something you love to do, such as taking a bath or watching your favorite movie. Well, unless you have a toddler, then Play-Doh and Legos. On to Wednesday, which is anti-procrastination day. What are you putting off? Did you clean the car seat yet?
No.
Did you call Aunt Pearl back?
No.
Well, when's the last time you folded laundry?
No.
Well, today is the day to do it. Stop putting it off. The biggest hurdle is getting started. Once you get started, it's really not so bad. And take advantage of that timer. Set it so that it helps to motivate you to get moving. Also, I'm setting my timer now. I give you 30 seconds to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I don't think there's much more to say on that. Let's move on to Thursday, which is errand day. Errand day is for running, you guessed it, errands. Anything you need to do outside of the house gets done on this day. That could be grocery shopping, or going to the doctor, going to the rage cage to smash some plates. We all have those days where we could use a good plate smashing. Ah! That's a safe way to do it at home. This could also be a good day to visit the library or go to the laundromat. Now, Thursday may not work for you. It doesn't work for me. I have my errand day on Saturday, so you're not stuck with her specific routine. You can change it up so that it fits your schedule and it works for you. So what about Friday? Lots of fun stuff going on Friday. You don't even have to clean your house this day. No, instead, we clean our car and purse. I mean, this is genius because there's no tornado bigger than the one in my purse. And sometimes my car. So every Friday, you're gonna set apart a few minutes to grab all the garbage that is sitting in your car and your purse. I'm sure you'll find water bottles, candy wrappers, 5-year-old receipts, 5-year-old lipstick, and French fries. I mean, come on. Who hasn't dropped a french fry underneath the car seat while stuffing your face while driving? And so by doing this every Friday, it should keep your car and purse under control. Now, we don't only clean out our car and purse, but Fridays are also date night. How many of us forget to date our spouses? The dating doesn't stop just because you're married. So go ahead and ask your spouse out on a date. And hey, I got a good feeling that he's gonna say yes. I think it may just be your lucky day. And now that the week is over, we get to go into the exciting days. Saturday is family fun day, so do something fun with your family. We spend all week working, cleaning, cooking, and taking care of our children that sometimes we forget to have fun and spend quality time with our family. So Saturday is your day to remember to spend time with those you love most. You could have a board game night, watch a movie at home, have a picnic in your backyard. The possibilities are endless. Just have some fun with your family. And then Sunday is a day to renew your spirit. Take care of yourself. Do things that make you feel happy and refreshed. Take a warm bath, read your favorite book, go for a nature walk, spend time in prayer, eat a gallon of ice cream. Okay, I don't know if the last one should be encouraged, but either way, it's important to renew your spirit so that you can renew the spirit of others. And if you'd like to start this weekly schedule, then start here on Monday, where we complete our weekly home blessing. Click here if you'd like to do it with me, and I will see you in a minute. Thanks for watching.